Let us continue the discussion. Now, as we have added a new part to the assembly, it is very important for us to check the draft analysis. I'm sorry, not the draft analysis, the global interferences. So I'll come back to analysis. I'll click on global interferences and click on preview and see if there is any interference of the central switches. So these all are the rounded screws, and we have the direction pad and upper block. These are with respect to the rounds which we have created on the direction pad, and there is another interference with the rounds of the circular switches. So that is not an important thing for us, but you can see that there are no interferences of the central switches with the upper cover. All right, so this indicates that we have modeled appropriately. And generally, if you have ever worked or played with these joysticks, you must have observed that sometimes that these buttons or these two buttons are made up of rubber material, but these are not plastic. Okay, but nevertheless we will be seeing that we are shelling them and adding drafts, because adding of drafts is improving our workability skills in Creo Parametric. So there is nothing wrong even if it is a rubber part to add drafts. So first and foremost thing is, let us add a shell over here and select this surface. I'm adding the default thickness shell. Okay, material is shell right now. And the next thing is we need to add the drafts to the vertical walls. So I'll be selecting the wall, right click, draft hinges. I'll select the base of this one and add a 1 degree draft, which has to be in this side so that it expands, and when it is pulled up, it'll form or it'll come out easily. I'll just hold control, select the individual surfaces and select all the vertical surfaces which are present in the model. All right, in the interior. So these are the interior surfaces which are being selected, and these all are expanded in order to have a positive draft. Now the next task is to check the draft analysis. I'll go to draft analysis. I'll click on draft, select the part, go to the directions, select to the top, and see that whatever color is being represented over here, the red is the major color and it has to be red everywhere. And also see that in the normal view the walls are visible to you. If it is not visible, then it is an undercut or there is no draft for that specific wall. Now all the time this analysis are getting saved. I'm just closing it, and the next task is to add the drafts on the outer side. Select the vertical surface, click on draft, select the surface, add a draft angle of 1 degree. I'm just adding an opposite draft to show you the difference again. 1 degree draft, press OK. Now go to analysis, click on draft, select the part, go to direction, go to top. Now you can see the interior is draft. This is a proper draft. Okay, this has to be a negative draft because it is coming upward. Now if this is red color, then this has to be blue color. Okay, and if you see from the top, these walls are not visible. Okay, see, these walls are not visible from the top. This indicates these walls which are being highlighted as a non-blue color, that is red color, these are undercut walls, and we have to change the direction of the drafts on these walls. I'll edit it, change the direction, press OK. It has been converted to blue color. Edit it, change the direction, convert it to blue color. Not only that, we have to add the draft for these walls. So you can go to analysis, hide the analysis and go to model, then draft, select the surface, right click, draft hinge. I'll be selecting the beneath surface, going to individual surfaces and select all the vertical walls what we have. Everything is done. Save it at desired location. I will be adding these folders in the resources for you to have it as a reference. Let us have a final check of the draft analysis, and after this I'll be pausing the video and adding the round values for the complete part. You can see everything is blue, but there are these regions. I don't know why this didn't get drafted even though I've added them. Okay, I didn't add the value. These are blue right now. The surface got missed. I'll add up after the video. So I believe everything is perfect, and let me add up the rounds and catch you in the next video. Thank you.